To use DeepL Translate, to translate file, click Translate File and sign up for free. To sign up, put an email and click Continue. Set a password. After that, click Create Account. After that, you'll be directing to the Translate files where you can select from your computer. Select a file you want to translate to your desired language. After that, click Translate into French. It's up to you what language you are going to choose. Wait for the file to translate into French. After that, you will see a button, Download Again. Then save it. And that's it. You already translate a file to your desired language. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel.